Here is a delicious, nutritious, auspicious, and most importantly, easy bok choy and shiitake mushroom in glossy sauce. Impress the parent with this 15-minute symbolic vegetable dish this Chinese New Year to wish them longevity and health. This recipe serves 8 people. Let's start off with boiling the water. Put a pot on the stove and switch on the heat. Add 1.5 liters of water. Cover the pot and let it boil for about 6 to 8 minutes. Cut 380 grams of bok choy, which was soaked, washed, and cut into half. I recommend large bok choy that are similar in size for this recipe for aesthetic reasons. All done, leave them aside. Next, add half tablespoon of tapioca flour in a small mixing bowl, 2 tablespoons of water. Mix them until well combined. Leave aside. Add 1 liter of water in a large bowl and 500 ml of ice cube to stop the cooking process. Leave them aside. After 8 minutes, the water is boiling vigorously. Mix in 1 teaspoon of salt, stirring to dissolve it. Add in the cut bok choy into the boiling water. Use a pair of tongs to submerge the bok choy. Cover the pot and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the cover. Strain the bok choy, shaking to drain the excess hot water. Put all of the boiled bok choy into the cold water that we have prepared earlier for 10 seconds. This stops the cooking process and retains the bok choy's vibrant green color. This should still be warm to touch. Then, remove the bok choy from the cold water and into the strainer. Leave it over a bowl to drip off the excess water. Next, add 250 grams of shiitake mushroom with stem removed into the pot. They were just washed to prevent them from becoming slimy. Cover the pot and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the shiitake mushrooms are done. Switch off the heat. Remove them from the hot water with the strainer, shaking to drain off the water. Leave aside over a bowl. Now, let's plate our vegetables. Arrange the bok choy with the stem by the edge of the plate and the leaf in the center. Place the shiitake mushroom on the stem and center of the plate. It looks really pretty now. Leave them aside. Next, let's cook the sauce. Place the frying pan on the stove. Switch on the heat. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and wait for about 1 minute for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add 10 grams of ginger strips. Stir fry for 1.5 minutes or until the ginger is crispy and golden brown. Remove them from the pan and into a strainer. Put them in a small bowl and leave aside. In the same pan with ginger oil, add in 150 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of goji berry. Stir until well combined and bring it to a boil. Once the sauce is well mixed and boiling, add the flour slurry. Stir until the sauce becomes thicker. Lastly, add half tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking rice wine. Continue stirring for another 10 seconds. The consistency of the sauce should be slightly thick and glossy, like this. Perfect. Switch off the heat and remove the pan from the stove. Pour the hot sauce over the bok choy and shiitake mushroom. Garnish with the crispy fried ginger and we are done. Our bok choy and shiitake mushroom in glossy sauce dish is ready to be served. Let's eat! The bok choy is sweet and very crunchy, coated with a savory and flavorful sauce. The fragrance from the shiitake mushroom, Shaoxing wine, and fried ginger is very aromatic. The taste ends with the sweet sour flavor of goji berry. So delicious. This is home cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.